there, today I'll show you how to make this beautiful dress. Let's begin with patterns. For the corset, we start from the front and create these curves to later insert the cups. You need to leave signs to know where to insert them. You can easily make only half of the pattern and then cut the fabric folded in two, like I did. The bra cups need to be at least a size bigger than yours because you need more fabric to curl at the end. And remember to leave signs to know where to insert on the corset. For the back, you just need to have measures and create a sort of rectangle. Here too, you can make half pattern and cut the fabric folded in two. This is the pattern for puff sleeves. As you can see, the fabric is more than the real diameter of the arm, because you will curl it here too, even on the shoulder too. And this is the shoulder strap that will be attached to the shoulder curl. This is the pattern for the skirt with pansies and the slit, the front and the back. Let's begin with the corset. You need to create a triangle in the center like this. Then you need to start inserting the cup. Before you cut the fabric and then you attach it to the corset. This is the result. After that, you need to close the up side and make the room for the two laces that will help curling and make the bow. For the laces, you just need to cut two rectangular pieces of fabric, fold them in two and sew on one side. To insert them, you can use a safety pin like I did. Then sew the end. So now you can curl the fabric and make the bow. For the sleeve, you need to curl on top and then attach it to the shoulder strap, and this will be the result. After that, you have to close the sleeve in the inside. Then you need to make the hem of the sleeve, leaving space for the elastic that will be inserted later and which will curl the bottom of the sleeve. Finally, join the top to the skirt. Hem the skirt and insert the zip on the side, and the dress is complete. This is the result, the perfect cottagecore dress style. Do you like it? See you in the next video. Bye!